Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with GitHub for versioning no-code app assets, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to www.github.com. If you already have a GitHub account, click on the sign in button at the top right corner. If you are new to GitHub, click on the sign up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, click the continue button. Create a strong password and confirm it in the next box. Click on the continue button once more. Next, you will be asked for a username. Choose a unique and memorable username, then click continue. GitHub may prompt you to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a message from GitHub. Click on the verification link provided in the email. After verification, return to the GitHub website. You may be presented with a series of questions to help customize your experience. Feel free to answer these or skip them for now. Once finished, you will be directed to your GitHub dashboard. To create a new repository, click on the green New button. Enter a name for your repository in the repository name field. You can choose to make the repository public or private. Add a description for your repository in the appropriate field. Check the option to initialize the repository with a README file. Click on the Create Repository button. Now you are ready to upload your no-code app assets. Click the Add File button and choose Upload Files. Drag and drop your app assets into the upload area. Once your files are uploaded, scroll down and click on the Commit Changes button. You have now successfully registered and uploaded your no-code app assets to GitHub. To ensure version control, you can create branches by clicking on the Branch Name dropdown. Enter a name for your new branch and click Create Branch. Make any necessary changes in this branch and commit them as you did before. Now, you can easily manage and track versions of your no-code app assets. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.